Nilai online, ya question ni ask mangi nilai online, mat ni sapa sethe, te hadian macam study ngadong sadong nanti sekila jet ini bagi amu lakret ya record, haka Ar-Snem si pogna lakret ya record, bau lala menjubab katu tuli kijeli. Bat ngatrai kani kerja kani ka record kebu create mu ngam try andon balak su ban break nama Ar-Snem si pogna tamban keren bahar umpat like. Ndai ini ngan kili mental ka English nama ba ni kayu English ndai bo unang unang bahas sin MYLLIEM tu tang nama ba saja MYLLIEM man kili English dengan kili English. Yes. June Manat Korean. Can you tell your name, please?
June Manat.
Okay. What is the name of your mother? Yeah. What is the name of your mother?
Mama.
Mama. What is her name?
Level
Level V. Okay. So, can you tell me how many planets are there in the solar system? 8. Good. Very good. Can you name them?
Mercury, Venus and Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune too.
Very good. Okay. Can you tell me something about Mercury?
It's the closest to the sun.
Good. Then, is it how much big it is?
It's 3 times bigger.
No, wrong. Mercury is the largest planet. Is it?
No,
What planet is it than Mercury?
smallest one.
Yes, correct. How many days it take? Mercury, how many days does it take to orbit around the sun?
88.
Very good. Okay, tell me something about the Venus.
It's the hottest planet in the whole solar system.
Very good. The hottest planet in the whole solar system. Now, can you tell me something about the Earth?
It's where we live.
Pardon?
It's where we live.
It is where we live. Okay. What else? Can you tell me something about the Earth?
It is life planet.
It is
Life
planet. Okay. Now, can you tell me something about Mars?
It's the red planet.
It is the red planet. Okay. How many moons does Mars have?
What?
How many moons does Mars have?
2.
2 moons. Can you name them?
Phobos and Deimos.
Very good. After Mars, which planet it comes?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Can you tell me something about Jupiter?
It's the biggest of all planets.
It is the biggest of all the planets. Very good. How many moons does planet Jupiter have?
59.
59 moons. Correct. Can you tell me something about Saturn?
It is the planet who has rings.
It is the planet who have rings. Very good. And what about Uranus? Can you tell me something about Uranus?
It's the icy planet.
It is the icy planet. Can you tell me something about Neptune?
It's the far from the sun.
It is the farthest planet from the sun. Very good, Jude Manat Korean. Oh, that's right.
Suwa baksit bantang biang iaki memento na bantagi tapos ibaday na kaligatan MYLLIEM konstitusi sa isin ng soban pangap si kadaya yari defensok pagka memento palaban niya nilakit mentas ni sidin
Thank you.
Sobangan song. Gamla pau semua. Bat kejagai kumrei ke bakarpang U Heprit jut menat kiri. Haka kerta ke Ar-Snem tam lalak bantip ya barok kibir bneng haka selesai sem kiba wat taklit yang abi berkeliru natai buan ngi ngala kelet. Breng la Pynkupburom yo hep jut menat kiri. Kubai semua ni pigi kibigi kipa. Kiba yang basem pila gai you pila betin you nadu ke bedang rit. Yes kem haka wegas gi unselong uplur bapernai bantin sen panura ga burom ika yeng jong thi ika snong jong thi ika jebri baro